Diva, are you not well?
She has a cold. I wish she had the hiccups, but no, she had to have a cold.
Well, you are in luck. My grandmother just gave me the cure for colds the other day. Here we go.
Oh, no. I don't think I should drink any of that. You do know I'm allergic to nasty tasting things.
Hi, guys. Right, Diva, I've got what you wanted. I got you your honey. And I got you your oranges. Oh, how are you feeling?
You're still sick, Simon.
We've all tried to cure her, Simon. We've tried everything, but nothing works. Now, I suppose she'll just have to be sick forever.
That is nonsense. All Diva needs is TLC.
TLC? What's TLC?
Yeah.
TLC? That's tender loving care.
Tender loving care, it should be everywhere. In the warmth of a teddy bear and the salty sea air. In the bubbles in a bubble bath and the petals on a garden path. We're born with big hearts, we should use them from the start.
I'm sure that you'd agree that it takes more than a cup of tea. All you need is TLC. It's the perfect remedy to make you change and feel so warm inside, 'cause you are not alone. You have friends and they will always be your cornerstone.
Tender loving care, it should be everywhere. It should be coming down the stairs and in the brushing of your hair. It is a friend that listens and worries about your condition. We're born with big hearts, we should use them from the start.
I'm sure that you'd agree that it takes more than a cup of tea. All you need is TLC. It's the perfect remedy to make you change and feel so warm inside, 'cause you are not alone. You have friends and they will always be your cornerstone.
Oh, here you go, Diva.
Oh, thank you, Golly.
No problem.
And perhaps one of those sweeties for my throat.
Here you go.
Thank you.
And here is a nice cup of hot tea for you, Diva, darling.
Thank you, Tallulah.
Would you like me to get your book for you, Diva?
Oh, thank you, Simon. Although my eyes are a little tired.
I tell you what, why didn't I read it for you?
Oh, that would be lovely.
I will have such fun today. We will have plenty to say. I will write some songs to play, and Simon says I'll guide the ships coming our way so they can sail into the bay.